Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to show you guys on how to get very cheap link clicks from Facebook. So these are some of the results we recently got from just doing this on my Facebook ad account. So you can see we've been testing this method, and so these are some of the campaigns we ran, and you can see here so far we spent like $496, which is almost $500, and we got like $3 on CPM, and we got 16,000 clicks, guys. So let's look at the cost here. So you can see here we only paid like 0.03, but it's not it's an average. On other campaigns we got like 0.02, or sometimes we get 0.01, but it's really hard to get 0.01, but it's really possible to get 0.02 or 0.03. So you can see here some days we used to get like 0.2. You can see here we got like 900 clicks for 0.02 cents. So you can see here 600 clicks for 0.2 cents, and let me try to find if we got any 1 cent. You can see here 1 click, that's not matter. So let's look at how many clicks. So majority of clicks we got on around 0.03 cents. So you can see here we have broken down this campaign by country. So we only targeted United States on this country. So it's in 2020, guys. Like we did this campaign in last month, and we got this clicks from last month. So it still works in 2020 because people reach me and ask me how to get cheap clicks, because some says that Facebook is not cheap anymore. Like Facebook is cheaper when you do the right things, because when you have the right targeting, when you have the right ad images, then it will give you cheap clicks. And it's possible you can also replicate this on your own campaigns. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll be going through on how you can also do this on your ad campaigns. So before we dive in, if you are someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment on this video, guys, because it will help me grow on YouTube. If you don't like it, just dislike it, because it will also help me grow on YouTube. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. So first, let's look at this campaign, guys. So you can see here it spent $400, and let's break down by country. So you can see here we only targeted United States on this campaign, and it's an article we promoted to this audience. And let's also look at the CTR. So you can see here I have this column performance and clicks, and it will show you guys the link CTR and the CTR, overall CTR. So the overall CTR is 14%, but the link CTR, this is very important, guys. So you can see here I got like 11% CTR, but if I change this by days, and it will show me the CTR percentage for each day. So you can see here, so this is the last day, 23rd. So the last day the CTR was around 9.8. Before that it was around $10. Sorry, not $10, sorry, it's 10%. So it's 12%, and it will show like whenever it goes up, the CPC will comes down. So you can see 12%, and it got like 0.02 cents. So there's a reason why I'm showing you guys this particular percentage, because it's very important to get very cheap clicks from Facebook. So this is going to be our first secret, which is CTR plus broad audience. To get very cheap clicks from Facebook, you need to target broad audience, guys, because when you target very specific audience, it will increase the CPC. And you need to create high CTR ad images, guys, because CTR is everything on Facebook. When you have a higher CTR, it will increase the chance of getting very cheap clicks from tier 1 countries. Don't worry about that, guys, because I will show you guys on how to create high CTR ad images with free softwares online. First, I'm going to show you guys how to create a campaign on Facebook, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the targeting and the placements, and I'm going to show you guys how to create the high CTR ad images with free softwares online. So for example purpose, I'm going to promote this article, guys. You can see 7 amazing effects of turmeric on your body. So it's not my website, it's someone's website, and they do the same stuff what I do, which is traffic arbitrage, where we buy cheap clicks from one place and we sell it to we monetize it with other ad networks. Like you can see here, they monetize with Adsense, and yeah, they just monetize with Adsense. So they get a lot of traffic for very cheap, and you can see here they're getting like almost 3 million visitors per month to their website. So let's copy this URL. So you can see here I just copied it, and let me go back to my ad account, and we're going to create this campaign. So just click on create, and it will take you to this section. Just go to switch to guided creation, and it will take you to this section. So what you need to do is so in other, like back in 2019-18, I used to say that always go with engagement. Now it's not working well compared to traffic, so just change that to traffic, guys. So just click on traffic, and it's going to give you the name section. Just type top 5 Okay, then click on continue. So we're going to do website, and we're not going to target Sweden. We just need to remove that. So we're going to target all tier 1 countries. So first, when you're creating a campaign, always target tier 1 countries together, like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, because just let it run for like first 2 days. Just let it spend $20. So it will give you a lot of data on which country is performing and which country has higher CTR and which country has bad CTR. So when you see that, and you can create a campaign, individual campaign by individual countries. So we're going to do United States, Canada, Kingdom, and Australia. So you can see here, so we target United States, US, Canada, UK, and Australia together. So once you've done that, go with the age 18 to 65 plus, because we need the data on which audience clicks a lot on the ad image. So just leave it broad, and once you see the gender, just leave it broad, and demographic targeting, and we need to have something on this, because just don't leave this broad. So let's say we're going to target so what, it's all about the article, it's all about the product you're promoting, whatever it is. So in our case, it's something related to medical, right? So let's type medical. So I consider medical diagnosis, immunity medical. So immunity medical. So it has 68 million, which is very good. So once you've done the targeting, just leave it broad. Don't click on suggestion, and don't add more to it, because leaving it broad works very well. So just leave it broad, guys. So once you've done that, just go down to placements. So what we're going to do is we're going to do manual placements, and we're going to remove Instagram. We don't want Instagram, we don't want Messenger, so we don't want audience network. We're just going to stick with Facebook. So remove everything, like just remove all this in streams and searches and everything in article. So you can see here, so what we're going to do is we're just going to stick with newsfeed. So just stick with newsfeed, and so this is going to be our placement, manual placement. And once you've done that, you need to go to this section, budget and section. So what we're going to do is we're just going to spend $5 per day for 4 days to get the data. So you can also spend more budget. If you have the budget like $10 to do it, you can get the data in 2 days, which is very good. So do the $5 per day budget, and we don't need to do manual bidding or anything else, because we are going broad, so it will get us very cheap clicks, so you don't have to do manual bidding. So, and if you're someone who has a lot of experience on doing manual bidding, try it. So let's go to the next step. So you can see Adsense may get 0 link clicks, so it doesn't matter, guys, so don't focus on this. So once you've done the targeting, just click on continue and go to the next step, and click this page section and select your page, and go to the create ad section. So if you have a post on your page, then you can promote it. So we're going to create the ad here, so we're not going to use the existing post. So what you need to do is click on single image and video and go down. So media, we need to upload the media. So before I upload the media, let me show you guys how I create the ad image for that article I showed you earlier. So we're going to use this free tool to create our ad images. So what you need to do is just go to canva.com, canva.com. So once you've done that, and create account there. So once you've done that, just click on create a design. You can see here custom dimensions, just click on that. So these are the dimensions we're going to use, which is 1000 by 600 pixels. Create a design. So it will give you a blank space like this. So what you need to do is, so we need to upload some images to it. So we're going to promote an article which is something related to turmeric, right? So just go to websites like Pixel. There are other websites where you can download these type of images. So what I did is just type turmeric powder. So we're going to use any of these images, like this one. This one is very good. So let me download this, and we're going to need a women's face on it, because turmeric something related to like skincare or something like that. So let's go to the article. So let's look at what they have inside it. So you can see here, so anti-inflammation effects, and mostly it's something related to beauty. So that's beauty and immunity, so better brain functions, and heart disease. So just read the article, guys, because it can give you a lot of ideas on how to create your ad images. Or else what you can do is just go to YouTube and type for turmeric on your body. So what it does is just sort by view count, so it will give you the top video, and look at them how they created their ad images. Because YouTube is pretty much similar to Facebook. Like, you need to get high CTR to get high views on YouTube. So the concept is pretty much the same. So you can also copy, you can get idea on how they're creating and how you can replicate it. So let's look at some images. So pretty much women, like a lot of women's in the image, and a lot of skin. So they're showing the skincare benefits of turmeric, and you can see here, so skin. So pretty much everything is connected to skin, and so they got a lot of views on this by adding face to it. So what we can do is just type girls. So it'll give you some images like this. So let's type some skincare. So you can see here, it's giving you a lot of images for free. So what you can do is so we can use this one, or else but also you need to consider, like, Facebook don't like too much skin. Like if they don't like showing people's face on it. So you need to be very careful on what type of image you're going to use. So let's use this type of images, guys, because these type of images are much more safer compared to other type of images I showed you. So it's something related to you can see here, turmeric is something related to paint relief. So I just typed paint relief and I got this image. So you just need to upload, just click on upload, and upload these two images to the Canva. So what we're going to do is we're going to use like this, like we're just going to like before and after, something like that. So let me show you guys how to do that. So we're going to have this here, and we're going to have this here. So we're going to increase the size. So once you've done that, so we're going to have a blank space on the top, because we can add some text inside it. So if you're interested in having a text, go for it, because those type of things will increase your CTR. So what I will do is I'll definitely have a border. So let me show you guys how to do that. So just click on elements, and we need some shapes like this. Just click on that. So let's look for some lines. So this one, so I can increase the size like this, and I can have a red border on the image, because when you have a border on images, it will increase the chance of getting clicks. Like you can see here, I just clicked on the color, and I'll change this to like red, or like some interesting colors like yellow or red, because Facebook is blue. So when you have something opposite to it, then it will increase the chance of showing your images much more easier in the platform. So I use yellow or else red. It's totally up to you. So once you've done that, so if you have a text, you can paste it here by just click on text and click this, and just copy it from here and paste it here. So you can see here, effects of turmeric on your body. So I'll just place it right here, right at this position, and I'll increase the size. Turmeric on you. So that's on you is enough. So this is how I create my ad images, and pretty much you can also copy the exact thing, and you can also replicate this on your own ads. So what you need to do is just click on download, and download as PNG, and save it on your desktop. So let's go back to the ad account. So once you've done that, just go to Facebook ad account and add your image here. So this is how it's going to show on your mobile, and this is how it's going to show on your desktop. So once you've done that, add your URL here, and we need to change this to learn more. So this is a button, so it has a lot of options. So what I will do is I just go for learn more. So let's go back, and we can also have some text here. So let's go back to the article. So let's copy this. So let's see here, let's have this, and let me try to have something like some hashtag, so something like that. This will increase the CTR. So you can see here 7 amazing effects of turmeric on your body. So you can see here, so this is how we're going to have our ad images. So these type of ad images will increase the CTR, but you need to do a lot of split testing on the design. So you can also have some the borders can be like yellow, or else you can have a yellow background on this words and white words. Always have 3 to 4 different images on each ad set, so because it will increase the chance of getting high CTR on Facebook, because Facebook will do split testing. Guys, always have 2 to 3 different ad images on each ad set. And once you've done that, just click on confirm, and it will take you to the review process, and they will approve your ads. And just let the ad run for 2 days, guys, because it's very important. And pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit that like button for more videos like this, and leave a comment. I'll be answering all your questions, and see you guys in the next video.